Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about policies and alerts in Adya. So policies and alerts help with several use cases. Let's go through a few use cases. This is one that comes up a lot as when we talk to our customers. They want to know if any document in their domain is exposed publicly. That is, if anyone in the world has the link, they have access to that document. This is potentially a huge security risk, and companies want to be alerted immediately if that happens. Some companies want to make sure that any documents owned by executives cannot be shared externally. Conversely, consultants who form a large share of a lot of companies' workforce are not allowed to share documents outside of the company. We have a customer who works with Fortune 500 companies, and the documents that are shared as part of that project are only allowed to be accessible by those who are part of that project. And the customer wants to get alerted if anyone outside of that core group gets access to those documents. And we have many such use cases that are supported by policies and alerts. Let's look at a demo. This is the Adya dashboard, and you go to the policies menu item here. Create a policy, give it a name. In this demo, let's say we want to say that if anyone, if any document owned by an exec is shared, we want to generate an alert. So what we want, the action is any change in permission where the document owner equals, let's give the email address of the exec. And if that happens, an email is sent to whoever you authorize it to. And that's it. As easy as that. So this, we have now created an alert that is automatically is immediately enforced, and there's an alert generated if any document owned by Pradeep in this case is shared. So this now is watching on your behalf, and it generates alerts which will be sent via email. Let's look at what that looks like. Here's an example of an alert that is sent via email, in this case to the admin, when this alert was triggered. The alerts that are generated also are shown in the alerts window. And that's it. That was just one of the various kinds of alerts. If you have multiple conditions, you can set alerts by the name of a resource, a file, or a folder. You can set a resource based on the owner, as we just did in this demo. You can say that if any document gets an exposure, as we said, if anything gets exposed externally, you want to get alerted, you can do that as well. Or any permission email, if anyone outside of the company, let's say, given email, gets access to a document, you can get alerted as well. And you can mix and match these conditions. You can add conditions that will get stacked on top of each other. And that is policies and alerts. Thank you.